Okay, we'll be playing a game with Kahoot, and it's about nature, animals, and natural elements. There's 24 questions. Are you ready? Which animal can help people cross a road? Is it the llama, the elephant, the cat, or the dog? It's the dog. Okay, question 2. Which animal can improve the skin on your feet? Is it the fish, chimpanzee, dog, or is it the dolphin? The fish. I hope you were right. Question 3. Which animal can find illegal items like drugs? Is it the chimpanzee, camel, dog, or horse? It's the dog. And the next question. Which animal can carry heavy loads in South America? Is it the camel, the llama, the dog, or is it the chimpanzee? It's the llama. Next question. Which animal can look for missing people? Is it the rat, the chimpanzee, the cat, or the dog? It's the dog. Okay, and the next question. Which animal can help children learn to read? Is it the dolphin, the whale, the dog, or the donkey? It's the dog. Which animal can look for dangerous items at sea? Is it the elephant, the fish, the whale, or the dolphin? It's the dolphin. And the next question. Which animal can transport trees in Southeast Asia? Is it the donkey, chimpanzee, elephant, or dog? It's the elephant. Next question. What is this animal? Is it the elephant, the rat, the cat, or the llama? It's the rat. And another question. What is this animal? Is this the chimpanzee, the donkey, the dog, or the horse? It's the chimpanzee. Okay, we're on question 11. What is this animal? Is this the llama, the camel, a donkey, or a rat? It's the llama. Okay, we're going to question 12. What natural disaster is in the video?
Before that, we heard 3 days grace. Price with home. How's it going? My name is Holly Bosman. 6:52 on your Friday evening, and things are getting exciting in here, man. I'm getting phone calls.
Yeah, we gotta hurry now, because I don't want to be anywhere near it anymore.
Tornadoes sighted.
Yeah, they're right now.
Funnel clouds have been spotted in the Sperling area. I'm not sure exactly where they've touched down, but we can check that out. We're going to check that out and pass on more information. If you are out on the highway wherever you are, please be safe. Be safe. Don't try to chase them. That's not a good idea. But yeah, I've had calls from Ron.
We're not chasing it.
Also got another sighting north of the city out by number 6 highway, somewhere out there by the woodlands. So somewhere out there we've also had some tornadoes.
Okay, was this video a tsunami, a tornado, an earthquake, or a flood? What natural disaster is in the video? Again, a tsunami, tornado, earthquake, or flood. This was a tornado. And we're on to the next question. What natural disaster is in this video? Okay, what natural disaster is in this video? A tornado, an earthquake, a tsunami, or a flood? Again, a tornado, an earthquake, a tsunami, or a flood? It was an earthquake. Okay, question 14. What is in this picture? Is this picture a desert, a volcano, a river, or a cliff? It's a cliff. Question 15. What is this picture of? Is this a volcano, a cliff, an earthquake, or a valley? This is a volcano. Question 16. What is this a picture of? Is this picture of an ocean, a volcano, a valley, or is it a beach? It's a valley. How do you say this number? Is it 7,700, 7 million, or 7 billion? It's 7 million. And the next question, how do you say this number? Is it 607, 6,007,000, 6,700, or 67? It's 6,700. Next question. What question word is used to ask a distance? How much, how far, how tall, or how many? How far? And again, another question. What question word is used to ask a speed? How long, how fast, how far, or how many? How fast? Another question. What question word is used to ask for height? How far, how tall, how long, or how many? How tall? Question 22. What question word is used to ask about a weight? How much, how tall, how many, how long? How much? And the next question, what question word is used to ask about a number? How long, how tall, how fast, or how many? How many? Question 24. What question word is used when choosing between two or more items? Is it what, when, which, or how? Which? And that's the end of the quiz. Thank you.